I'm Shonit. I'm studying in 7th standard in Navya Bharati Global School. Now with my memory techniques, I'm going to demonstrate you about the countries and capitals and even calendar and its dates. I finished learning these concepts with memory techniques in just few days. Now I'm going to demonstrate you about these concepts. I learned these concepts with memory techniques, and even I was awarded Indian Book of Records for memory power as Memory Grandmaster of India in 2011.
So here is Shonit to demonstrate the country and capitals, and we are here, the 4 judges here, to ask him the questions. So Shonit, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So here we go with the round of questions. Thank you.
Norway,
Oslo,
Peru,
Lima,
Qatar,
Doha,
Russia,
Moscow,
Oman,
Muscat,
Namibia,
Tripoli,
USA,
Washington DC,
Vatican City,
Vatican City,
Tuvalu,
Funafuti,
Zambia,
Lusaka,
Vietnam,
Hanoi,
Uruguay,
Uruguay,
Uganda,
Kampala,
Greece,
Athens,
Ireland,
Dublin,
Italy,
Rome,
Jamaica,
Kingston,
Jordan,
Amman,
Kenya,
Nairobi,
Kazakhstan,
Dushanbe,
Cambodia,
Phnom Penh,
Afghanistan,
Kabul,
Angola,
Luanda,
Argentina,
Buenos Aires,
Belgium,
Brussels,
Bhutan,
Thimphu,
Burundi,
Bujumbura,
Botswana,
Gabon,
Ethiopia,
Addis Ababa,
South Africa,
Pretoria,
South Korea,
Seoul,
Malta,
Valletta,
Morocco,
Morocco,
Barbados,
Bridgetown,
Bahamas,
NASA,
Philippines,
Manila,
Romania,
Bucharest,
Austria,
Vienna, Luxembourg,
Gambia,
Banjul,
Armenia,
Yerevan.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, in this part of demonstration, Shonit is going to tell us the day of the date and month and year which we are going to ask him. So Shonit, you are ready for that?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
27th September 2012.
2012. It's Thursday.
Yes, you are right. 7th December 1974.
It's Saturday.
Yes, good. 28th October 1888.
1888. It's Sunday.
Yeah. 8th July 2010.
It's Thursday.
Yes. Okay, Shonit. 11th December 1994.
It's Sunday.
Yes. And 20th January 2010.
It's Wednesday.
Yes, you are right. 22nd May 1849.
It's Tuesday.
Very good. And 9th May 1946.
It's Thursday.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, Shoni.
So,
So now I'm going to ask you. 13th August 1936.
it's Saturday.
Okay. 22nd June 2009.
2009.
Yeah.
It's Monday.
Okay, good. 25th May 2004.
2004. It's Tuesday.
5th December 1822.
1822. It's Thursday.
Okay. 2nd August 1946.
It's Friday.
Yeah, good job.
13th May 1925.
So, 1925.
25.
It's Wednesday.
20th Jan 1994.
1994. It's Thursday.
That's good. 16th December 1945.
1945. It's Sunday.
That's good. 7th December 1888.
1888.
Yeah,
It's Friday.
that's good. 1st December 1820.
1820. It's Thursday.
That's good. 16th November 1935.
1935. It's Saturday.
That's good.
8th February 1820.
1820. It's Tuesday and it's a leap year.
That's wonderful. 28th October 1888.
1888. It's Saturday.
7th September 1926.
9:26. It's Tuesday.
27th September 2012.
2012. It's Thursday.
22nd May 1849.
1849. It's Tuesday.
Wonderful. 9th August 2007.
9th August
2007.
2007. It's Wednesday.
Very good.
Good, well done.
Thank you, sir.
So here again we are going to have one more session of the memory techniques where we are going to see as to how the student over here is going to watch the arithmetic numbers for a while and then again he's going to reproduce back. So straight away we will go to one of the student over here. Yes, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm Shonit, studying in 7th class of Navabharati Global School. Now I'm going to tell about the 50 digits which sir is going to give me.
So Shonit, exactly what you're going to do, tell me.
When they'll dictate me the numbers, I'll see it for a while and I'll tell the same numbers in the correct order.
How much time are you going to watch for these numbers?
2 to 3 minutes.
Only 2-3 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So shall we start that?
Okay, sir.
Right. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 9, 1, 1, 5, 8, 1, 1, 5, 8, 0, 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 0, 4, 9, 3, 8, 4, 5, 2, 8, 6, 2, 7, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 9, 7, 8, 7, 1, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9. So take 2 minutes quickly.
So I'm ready.
Ready? Right, Shobit, you will start.
Yes. 9 1 1 5 8 1 0 2 2 5 5 3 0 4 9 3 8 4 5 2 8 6 2 7 4 0 2 4 0 2 3 2 3 4 7 2 9 7 8 7 1 4 5 5 7 8 9.
That's great. That's great, Shonit. Very
Thank you, sir.
good. Well done.
Start rolling.
So in this session, we are going to have a demonstration of the memory techniques where one of our student from Navya Bharati Global School is going to reproduce back the numbers which I'm going to dictate to him randomly. So let's meet him. What's your name, Mr.
I'm Shonit, studying in 7th standard of Navya Bharati Global School. Now,
And what are you going to do right now?
Now I'll be reproducing back the 50 random digits which you will be giving me in less than 2 minutes.
That's really great. Tell me, Shonit, how it has actually benefited you?
Because of this technique, I can reproduce back any given content spontaneously also under any given circumstances.
That's really great. So, are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, the moment you say start, I will start telling you the numbers randomly. Okay? Right. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Right. 9, 1, 1, 5, 8, 1, 1, 5, 8, 0, 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 0, 4, 9, 3, 8, 4, 5, 2, 8, 6, 2, 7, 4, 0, 2, 4, 0, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 9, 7, 8, 7, 1, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9. So I'll give you 2 minutes, Sharith, right? Your time starts now.
So I'm ready.
Ready? That's good, Shonit. Right. Your time starts now. You can start representing it.
9, 1, 5, 8, 1, 1, 5, 8, 0, 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 0, 4, 0, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 9, 7, 8, 7, 1, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9. That's really great, Shonit. Very good. Well done. Congratulations. Very good.